I'm about to walk a deal that's been on the market for over 100 days. The numbers look decent, but something felt off, so I scheduled an appointment to come and check it out, see if this is a deal or is this a trap. Y'all stick around, see what I'm looking for, the questions I'm asking, and we'll take it from there.
This is OG Marketing with Brandon and Pat.
Neighborhood check, neighborhood check. We're in an area called Lincoln Heights. I got family that's still living in this area, family that grew up out here, some aunts, uncles born and raised in this area. More on that side where the Centennials and all of that is. It's a big highway over here, and here's the subject, the property. It's a 2-1. Like I said, it's listed. Been on the market for over 100 days. And checking out the exterior at the moment. Roof look good. Gutters definitely need some attention. Siding ain't bad, but could get replaced. Gotta pretty this up. Soffit issues, you can tell something probably getting up in there, I'm pretty sure. This is the backyard. It's by a highway, you hear that loud noise, so we gotta factor that in. This is, we ain't slapping. With these type of properties, you cannot just slap lipstick on the pig. Get in here, make it solid, so you won't be dealing with no issues. Like I say, there's major issues. Birds, I'm probably over here disrupting they home and they well-being. Look, we got a bird's nest right up in here. I'm pretty sure we got to do a lot of work here, so I already had a number in mind, but honestly, that number is adjusting quite a bit just from the exterior. This is the other side of the property. I see the soffits all removed, so junk laying up against it. Windows look like they might have been replaced at some point, but and me with the little experience that I done had, I could see why this been sitting. I could see. Now again, I'm still waiting on the realtor or some confirmation to get inside. I'm finna text. But my thing is, this is how I went about it. I heard it, got this lead, looked at the address, a few pictures. I knew the neighborhood. Like I say, the numbers looked okay. But I'm always wanting to get out here and see what's going on. So I spoke to another experienced investor who buy and hold. And also I spoke to a lender just to line up my funds for when I submit my offer and everything, and you know, getting some experience, feedback on how to go about a situation like this if I'm looking to use none of my money and I'm using other people's money, the steps that I need to take, the things that I need to look out for. I need to be conservative always.
Thanks for listening to OG Marketing with Brandon and Pat. Like what you've heard? Like and subscribe.